What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And we're hearing that something again special is happening. Let's get over there. And there's Icebreaker. We can see one of the trains on the launch track, the other one over in the little maintenance area. I believe the second train is the one that's in the maintenance area, but I see test dummies in it now. And there's a little bit closer view. We just saw the train jog back and forth on the launch track. With another test run. From what we were told, they have been doing test runs all morning and a lot more earlier. But it's afternoon time, we're still running it. Yay, another test run. Mardi Gras is also going on here at SeaWorld Orlando as we have performers out. We also had a band earlier. Alright, well, the pathway over here for Bayside Stadium is a little more open. As we can see, we get a little bit closer to the track. Gonna get some different views. Well, would you look at that? The second train is now on the track. We're about to have its very first test run. All right, so there is the second train. It's doing launches. Well, I think we're just about done with testing. And something else I wanted to point out. Well, I said this would likely not be open and running without some sort of nets. We have the poles right there, but no nets. Instead, we have easy ups. So that's in place. So maybe it will run over the next couple days. There it goes. More night testing, and just look at that lighting package. Looks awesome. Second launch. And now coming back for a third launch. Come on. Way up the spike. And fourth launch. Let's get it over the top. Okay. Manta and sleepy pink chickens. They're all so sleepy looking. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. And as we saw, the second train made its first ever test runs today. Very exciting stuff. The other train was pulled into the maintenance barn and took the rest of the night off. We did see test dummies come out of that first train, so hopefully we may see a human rider sometime very soon. Of course, we have Manta doing a flyby. Seven Seas Food Festival is going on, as well as Mardi Gras. We're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.